Defense motions will need to be filed concerning the potential Brady material. So this, I'll do a separate thing on it. This was already filed by Patricia Cashman and against Detective Chelsea, I think it's pronounced Cospel, the female detective. That was already filed. And she's been exonerated. They accused her of lying on what was submitted to get a search warrant in another case, which I think she referenced that there were a couple of witnesses when in fact there was only one. And so, of course, the defense has to try something. So they went in to say that she exaggerated it in order to get the warrant. And then, it had to go through a process, and whoever the judge was who granted the warrant was like, I still would have granted the warrant with one or two. Just the fact that there was a witness was enough. I mean, I'm going to give him his props. You got to try everything for your client, right? Defense is supposed to zealously represent their client. So, okay. He's coming in hot. The defendant has the right to be represented by counsel of her choice. I don't know if she's paying for it or they're doing pro bono. I'll say that. But from when you're getting it for free, like when you're getting it from the state, there's nothing in the language that says it has to be by her choice. In fact, they told her specifically, you don't get the counsel of your choice when you're getting a defense paid for by the county. Now, she's still, when you are indigent and getting it. Now, she's still indigent, but someone has stepped up to do pro bono work like Mauricio Padilla did, right? And I hope this dude called Mauricio was like, dude, give me the deets. The defendant attempted to solicit private counsel after the court's order dated June 28th, 2024. How did she attempt? I'm going to show you because I got to put myself back up here, right? We remember this poster that she made and put out. We put it in the break room for her, like she asked, not by the copy machine. Yeah, I don't know, Miss Sarah. I don't know. Like, talk about coming in the 9th. Ooh, defense counsel responded to her advertisement and was retained. He saw the poster. I wonder if he was in the break room. The defendant attempted, okay. After the court's order dated June 28th, the defense counsel responded. He came in on a white horse, he said. I'm glad she didn't turn him away like the other crazies that kept coming to visit her after her. She put out an ad and she seemed surprised that people were coming. Only in Sarah's mind. The defendant is not trying to delay the proceedings or abuse the process by retaining counsel at this late date. I'm glad you added that at this late date because she's been delaying the proceedings and abusing the process previously. But are you saying she won't be doing it futuristically? I couldn't resist. I'm sorry. I'm like, oh my God, I'm sorry. The defense certifies this motion is made in good faith. Memorandum of law. Oh, we're not going back to the Sixth Amendment, are we? Didn't we just hear about the Sixth Amendment with the couple from California? Okay, and so this is James Owens, Florida bar numbers. I'm going to stop sharing for a second and talk to you guys because I want to see, like, how do I get back to the poll results? I saw 60. Oh, good Lord. Okay, so 66% says no so far. 34% says yes. Can you guys see the results in this? I don't know how to show you if you can't see them. Maybe if you click on it, or can I pin it? So let me pin it. No, it just says, oh, thank you. She has a hearing on the 3rd. Yes. Yeah, I posted that 2 days ago about the hearing because it has on there that she's going to be doing her discovery in that hearing. So something must have fallen apart with her and the state because remember at the previous hearing, the state had said they were working on an agreement and the judge said, make sure when you do it, it has to be done no later than the 3rd, and you need to submit that it happened and what she reviewed. And then he asked Sarah, ma'am, are you going to do that? Are you willing to? She was like, of course. And so the state was like, but I wasn't going to say anything until after you ruled on the motion for that she had for privacy that she did orally, and the who was it? And Orlando Sentinel came in. It started with WFTV, and then Orlando did a joinder motion to follow them, and it was what was her name? Fugate came in, and the attorney, I believe, for WFTV, but she represented both of them, like, because it was just they were kind of piggybacking off of that. So that must have fallen apart. And you guys were saying in the comments on that video, it's probably something to do with the phone, because she kept asking about the phone. And sure enough, now there's exculpatory evidence on this phone that she needs to see. And she needs time. And I think that is just bullshit. She needs time to build trust. Like, that seems like an indeterminate amount of time. She didn't build trust with Mauricio Padilla. I'm calling him Mauricio like I slept with him last night. Mr. Padilla. She didn't build time or trust with him after 2 years. So, like, how long? I think that needs to be more specific. And it assumes that she will build trust. So I think you just need to say, like, give her 30 days to allow her time to build, whether she does it or not. Because, I mean, for real, it's Sarah. They could be like, oh, she needs another year to build trust. You know what I'm saying? Like, let's be super specific. Let's have it time-bound, measurable, like, because building trust is kind of fluffy. I mean, listen, I believe in therapy. I'm all about therapy, but I don't know that Sarah can build trust. Let me just say it like that. If you guys think different, let me know. These are my 2 cents. Hints while you're here, while you are here.